Good morning children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing mensuration and already few questions we have solved and it was told to complete the exercise. I hope few of you must have completed, and those who have not completed, please be with your book and copy so that together you can learn. Today in this class we are going to see question number 4, 5 and 6. So let's see how we will solve these questions. So try to understand properly, and remaining question you must be able to solve. If your concept will be clear, definitely you will be able to solve. So just you see how it is being solved. Here you have question number 4 and our question is the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So before solving, you need to understand in question what has been given, so that easily you will be able to solve question. So first of all, you see what things have been given. So here we have been given, you can see this is question number 4. We have been given, suppose one ruler is there. Ruler looks like this. You can see, if you have seen ruler, it looks like this. This is in the shape of right circular cylinder. So here you see, if ruler you have, one time it is rolling, just you see it is starting from here, and one time just you see if you have any pencil or in cylindrical shape, if any shape object you have, thing you have. So just you see, if one time it is rolling, how much distance it is traveling. So suppose from here it will start, one time it will roll, it means this much distance it will travel. Suppose you have rolled one time and it reached over here, it means this much distance it has been covered, this much distance it has been covered. So what distance it has been covered? How will you know how much area it has been covered? The area of the lateral surface area of the cylinder will be the area covered by this in one time if it is rolling. If one time it is rolling, suppose if you will be having pencil, just you see, if one time one complete revolution you make, so what distance it is traveling, that area what it is covering, it means that area will be the curved surface area of the cylinder, or you can say lateral surface area of the cylinder. So we need to find out in one revolution how much area it covers. So in one revolution what area it will cover? Area of the curved surface area of that roller. So we will find out the curved surface area of the roller. So suppose h is the height and r is the radius of the roller. So according to question, diameter has been given. Diameter is, just you see, 84 centimeter you have. So radius will be what? Radius will be half of that. Here you see, if diameter has been given, this diameter has been given 84 centimeter. So radius will be what? Radius will be 84 by 2, it means 42 centimeter. And if you are converting this into meter, that will be 42 by 100, it means 0.42 meter. And why we have converted? Because at last you see, we need to find out area in square meter. Just you see, meter square, we need to find out area in meter square, that's why it has been converted. So diameter we had 84 centimeter and radius we will be having 84 by 2, it means 42 centimeter. Now if you are dividing 42 by 100, what we will get? 0.42 meter. This we have got. Now height, you see how height has been given 120 centimeter. Again this 120 is required to be divided by 100. So we will get 1.2 meter. So we have got height 1.2 meter. Now it is very simple. The curved surface area or lateral surface area, whatever you write, curved surface area we will find out by putting in formula. So we have formula. What formula we have? We have 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi means 22/7 into r, you see r is equal to 0.42 and h is equal to 1.2. So easy simplification is there. I don't think you will be having problem. 2 into 22/7 into 42/100. This 0.42 we had. After decimal we had how many digits? 2. So 2 zeros we have put. Here 1.2 we had. After decimal 1 digit we have. So 10 we have put. Just you cancel this, we have got 3168 by 1000. It means 3.168 meter square. We have got area, lateral surface area. It means in one revolution it is taking 3.168 meter square of the area. So how many times it is taking revolution? 500 times. So area of playground will be lateral surface area of the roller into number of revolution. So lateral surface area already we have got 3.168. Just you see in figure so that you may understand and try to understand. This is so easy. Suppose this was your cylinder. In one revolution it has been completed this much area. One time when it revolved, or this much area has been completed. Now 500 times it is moving. So 500 times it will move, means this much area 500 times it will cover. So that will be the area of the playground. That area will be the area of playground. So we need to multiply this with 3.168. So 3.168 into 500, you multiply this, you will get 1584 meter square, and this is your answer. So I hope you understood. If you have not understood, again you watch 2-3 times, many times you watch, try to understand, and you should be able to solve question by yourself. Next question we have, question number 5. Similar question it is, so easy it is. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Just you try to understand. Cylindrical pillar is there in this shape, you can see, and diameter of the pillar has been given. Suppose this is your diameter. So this is 50 centimeter. So again, if 50 centimeter you have, your R will be what? 50 by 2. It means 25 centimeter. And when you are converting this, into meter, it will be 25 divided by 100. It means 0.25 meter. This you have got. Height is what? This height has been given, and that is 3.5 meter. This height has been given. You need to find out the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of 12 rupees 50 paisa per meter square. So easy question it is. You need to find out curved surface area of the pillar, and it is required to be multiplied by 12 rupees 50 paisa, and you will get the answer. The same thing has been done. Just you see, radius we have got 0.25 meter, height we have got 3.5 meter. So curved surface area or lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. Just you put the value, you will get what? 55 by 10 or 5.5 meters square. So this 5.5 meters square what you have got, this is the lateral surface area. This what you have got, this is lateral surface area. Now cost of painting at the rate of 12 rupees 50 paisa. 1 meter square costs 12 rupees 50 paisa. So for 5.5 meters square, What will be the cost you need to find out? So simply you need to multiply 5.5 into 12.50. So you will get 68 rupees 75 paise, and this will be your answer. So easy question it was. I hope you understood. Next question we have question number 6. Again this is also very easy. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 44.4 meters square. So here you see curved surface area has been given. Curved surface area has been given. It means what? 2 pi RH has been given. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, suppose this is your cylinder, and here it has been given your radius. So radius is equal to, here you see this R has been given, R is equal to 0.7 meter. This has been given, and curved surface area has been given. It means what? 2 pi RH has been given, and that is 4.4 meters square. You need to find out what? You need to find out H. So easy it is. Just you put in formula. 2 pi RH is equal to 4.4. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R you have 0.7 into H is equal to 4.4. So H will be what? H will be 4.4 into 7 into 10 divided by 2 into 22 into 0.7. And when you are converting this 0.7 and 4.4 into fraction, this 10 you will be having. Simplify this, you will get 1 meter. So H you have got 1 meter, and this is your answer. So easy it was. I think you have understood, and similar question you will be able to solve. So remaining question just you find out from the book, which are so easy. Just you try solving by yourself. I hope you will be able to solve. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.